Good morning, my name is Margarita Franco Asensio. I present the following presentation by title Comparative Study of the Physicochemical Properties of Cacao Leaches, Theobroma cacao L, in three varieties of the region of the state of Tabasco. Summary: identify the properties of the leaches of the cocoa bean, Theobroma cacao L, in three varieties of the Tabasco region, Criollo, Forastero, and Trinitario. The leaches mesolage of cocoa are obtained during the processing stage that takes place in the fermentation phase of the bean, where, due to natural deburring and degradation of the mesolage that cover the fresh cocoa seed it is lost. Introduction. In Mexico, cocoa is one of the products that has comparative advantages as a result of the natural condition for its production. The little research carried out in the country on comprehensive, qualitative, and quantitative study about the characterization of the physicochemical properties of cocoa leaches. Cacao is genetically divided in three large groups: criollos, forasteros, and mixture of criollos and forasteros called Trinitarios. Hardy, 1969. As shown in Figure 1, the difficulty of using the term variety to the classification of cacao. There are three types of cacao from the botanical point of view, which are the criollos, the forasteros, and the trinitarios hybrids. Development. The comparative study of the cocoa varieties Theobroma cacao L was carried out in the Research Laboratory 1 in the Technological Institute of Villahermosa. The cacao pods Theobroma cacao L of the Criollo, Forastero, and Trinitary varieties, respectively, were culled in the municipalities of Paraíso, Comalcalco, and Huimanguillo, in order to identify of the data studied in terms of weight, thickness, length, width, moisture, fiber, ash, fat, and pH. The method of preparation and characterization was based of the standards reported in the literature, which are mentioned in each of the studies. The samples were packed in polyethylene bags in Figure 2. The grain extraction process to obtain leaches is explained. Number 1. Reception of raw material cocoa pods selected for the sample. 2. Selection of the cocoa pods: small, medium, large, healthy, and ripe. 3. Intensive washing with water, soap, and chlorine in order to sanitize the cocoa pods. 4. Extraction of the cocoa from the pods, placing the beans in burlap. 5. Begin the carefully dividing the almonds or seeds. 6. Obtaining the mucilage leaches. Result. The results present are the results of the sampling of three different varieties from various municipalities in the state of Tabasco. Their physical characteristics can be seen in Table 1. The analyzed varieties can be classified into three large groups: Criollo, Forastero, and Trinitary. In order to remove of the mucilaginous pulp of the cocoa beans, tests were carried out to note the yield of the kilogram extractable mucilage, kilogram of pre-fermented cocoa bean with technologies applicable to the process. The purpose is to explore the potential of cocoa leaches as sources of production for their potential use. The comprehensive study of each variety of cocoa bean observed in the following Table 2. The determination of the humidity percentage is a variable for degradation. In turn, it can influence the spread of microorganisms, as data shows. It can be observed that the trinitary variability presented the highest percentage of ashes, while the forester variability presented the lowest. In regards with the fat percentage data in the Leaches analysis, being the forester variability the one with the highest percentage of fat and the trinitary variability the with the lowest. Conclusions. After having carried out the analysis of the cacao leaches, it is possible to conclude that through its own characteristic width of the pod, width of the shell, and the depth of the creases are sufficient parameters to explain the variability of the futures of the leaches of the Theobroma cacao L. The sugars found in the cacao mucilage of the criollo, trinitario, and forastero. Variability differs with the results obtained from sucrose, fructose, and glucose. Their difference is attributed to the age of the plant or time of year. Thank you for your time.